On this team, we tear ourselves and everyone else around us to pieces. You gotta look at the guy next to you. Look into his eyes. Now, I think you're gonna see a guy who will go that inch with you. You're gonna see a guy who will sacrifice himself for this team because he knows when it comes down to it, you're gonna do the same for him. That's a team, gentlemen. And either we heal now as a team, or we will die as individuals. Now, I can't do it for you. We can fight our way back into the light. We can climb out of hell.